What's going on, everyone? Well, as you saw from my last video, I installed the LED Oedro lights. I compared them to HIDs and factory halogens. In my opinion, the LEDs were definitely more crisp, more brighter, and they projected a little bit better, even though I don't have projector headlights. Now, Oedro noticed I also had I had some fog lights and was like, hey, would you like to try our LED fog lights? So they sent me their LED fog light kit. My car is obviously an H11. If it'll focus there. Yeah. Come on. You can do it. No? How about closer? You suck, camera. Anyways, it's an H11 right there.
Take our word for it.
So let's go ahead and open this up. This is not part of it. We're just using it to prop. So, oh, okay.
We're busy.
These are definitely
busy little fog lights, little bulbs. A lot of LEDs on them. Jesus Christ.
This is cool. I don't know why they couldn't make the headlights like this.
See the other one? This?
Yeah. Look at this. These pegs are even better. Huh.
Yeah.
So you have LEDs up here in the front, so they can project forward, and then you have LEDs all around the side that'll obviously project around. Man, they really should have made their headlights like this.
Yeah, they should have.
I don't know if it's because headlights are stronger, so they have to be on longer, so they need all those stuff. But I mean, my fog lights are always on too. But you know, we'll see. So let's go ahead.
There's 20 LEDs on here.
It's a lot. Let's see how bright these are. So I'll try to cut in some footage of like how I had it with the factory halogen fog lights and the factory the HID kit fog light that I had, and then I'll switch over to these. This is what the factory halogen looks like. There you go. Seems not bad. Visible for what it is. And yeah. Let me take this camera off the tripod. There we go. So that's what it looks like. Okay, and this is how it looks with the HIDs. Nice and bright. Kind of hard to tell on camera, but that's about the cutoff line you're gonna get without projectors. Not the greatest in the world. All right, there it goes with the LED headlights and the LED fogs, LED headlights and halogen fogs. So obviously a lot more yellow. And then right there, I really actually don't even see the LED fogs. Let me see if I can like hit a switch. Okay, yeah, they're there. It's actually kind of weird. I think the halogen projects a lot more.
It's a different color.
It's a different color, but if you look real close at it over there, you can definitely see the bottom.
It's a fog light, so it's aiming straight.
So you know what? Let me go ahead and switch out the other one. And if you're wondering, it's the same exact way as the headlights. You don't even need to take the bumper off. Just turn the wheel. Obviously not this side. Turn it the other way. Go in there, reach for the thing. So let me go ahead and switch it out real quick. All right, and there we have it with the HID, or not HID, the LED fogs. That's off, that's on. So combined is definitely a lot more noticeable. I noticed that compared to the halogens, these go out further. The halogens directed forward and it was just focused on one spot, but the LEDs, they definitely spread a lot better. And now they match my headlights. A nice clean white color. So yeah, one more thing to note. These fog lights, the H11s compared to the 9006, their pegs that I complained about in my last video, these definitely fit a lot better. These like locked in, they weren't loose. So far, after a week of driving, nothing's happened. It hasn't rained yet, so I don't know if it's leaking, but I will definitely do a more in-depth review when I've had more time to drive it at night, drive it in the rain, and I'll let you know.
On the track.
On the track. But yeah, so I mean, if you're wondering what's going on with these Civic videos, I know it's my daily driver. They're more filler video. The 240 is still at the body shop. It's gonna be there for a while, so hopefully these fill the void instead of me just going absent for months on end. You know, these are just kind of filler videos. If you enjoy them, great. If you don't,